A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Such is the quality of our leader, our National President, Mr. Vishwesh Kulkarni. Mr. Vishwesh Kulkarni, National President, NIPM, and Chairman, Yashaswi Group, and Vice President, APF HRM, member of All India Board of Technical Education, AICT, independent member on Advisory Board of Minimum Wages, Government of Maharashtra, member of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Committee, Maratha Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture. Mr. Vishwesh is a pioneer and a true legend in the field of youth empowerment with his initiatives in development and growth of today's youth. One of such initiatives is the Learn and Earn scheme with Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, MSBTE. The initiative has been awarded as the best skill initiative in India by National Skill Development Agency, Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. Yashaswi has been rated as #1 TPA in India on date, having around 90,000 apprentice students trainees under Learn and Earn scheme, deputed in more than 1,000 organizations pan-India. Yashaswi is one of the leading organizations in the fields of skill. Without much ado, I request Sir to kindly embark the journey.
Good morning to all. Honorable Padma Bhushan B.N. Kalyani Sir, Honorable General Manoj Naravane, ex-Army Chief Retired, Dr. S.V. Bhave, Convener, NATCON 23 and NC Member, Mr. Kalyan Pawar, Chairman Pune Chapter, my colleague Mr. Raja, Dr. M.H. Raja, Honorable General Secretary, NIPM, and Sri Sadashiv Patil, Chairman, NATCON Committee 23. And I welcome all of you, those who came from different parts of the country to attend this NATCON, the HR professional meet. And also I welcome our international delegates from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Mauritius. So on behalf of NIPM India, I welcome you once again. NATCON is a flagship event of the NIPM, which is annually hosted by different chapters rotationally. This year, NATCON 23 is hosted by Pune chapter, and the theme of the NATCON 23 is fostering resilience and agility towards the HR excellence. We feel proud to have today with us distinguished guest Padma Bhushan Sri B.N. Kalyani Sir, guest of honor General Manoj Naravane Sir, ex-Army Chief retired. Both are the great personalities and leaders in their field. We will be definitely motivated by their experience and their thought. I'm sure we all are here to understand how was their journey, what they will guide us, and how they will motivate us to take forward this baton which they have taken. We have also around 25 learned and eminent speakers from various industrial sectors who are the leader on their role. Each of them will enlighten us by sharing their views on how to overcome the future challenges, mainly for the HR. We have international guests who will be sharing the best HR practices in their country that can guide us and that can motivate us to implement some of them which we feel they're better and can be used here. So this is the international exposure. Definitely all the delegates will be getting it. I am sure this NATCON 23 will be the great knowledge sharing session. Thanks to all NC members, EC members of Pune chapter. My special thanks for Dr. S.V. Bhave, convener. Under his leadership, I think this is the 4th conference we are hosting. Earlier we had hosted NATCON, then we had hosted Western Region Conference, then Student National Conference, and again NATCON 23, and all this leadership under Dr. Bhave, sir. So thank you so much, sir. All the delegates who have participated in the large number, because without you this NATCON 23 was not possible. I wish 2 days great knowledge sharing session and NATCON 23 will be one of the memorable conference which we all will be having in our mind. With this, thank you so much and wish you the great session. Thank you.